What is going on? This is a question to the mechanics in this group. I have been driving home for about 15 minutes, and periodically I'm starting to get a grinding, clanking, clattering, squeaky sound, and I'm starting to feel some vibration in, like, right under my elbow in the armrest, and it feels like it's coming from like a drive line, like on a rear-wheel drive car, but this is obviously not a rear-wheel drive car, and now it's fine. I just took off from a light. It's not doing anything, but can you hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's not doing it now, but anyways, I don't know if this is a transmission issue or a clutch issue. I'm hoping that it'll make the sound. I'm hoping it won't make the sound again, but I'm hoping it'll make the sound again so you guys can hear it. But any thoughts? Anybody? Y'all hear that? Hear that? Something's wrong, obviously. I hope y'all can hear that. I've got my AirPod in. I don't know if that's making it worse or better. It's going away. It's not even like it's happening at a certain RPM or a certain speed either. It's like it happens for a minute and then it goes away. It doesn't happen under load. I'm home now, thank God. But oh God, if anybody has any insight into this, please let me know. I don't have access to a lift or anything. I've got some ramps, but that's it. So let me know if you guys think this is a clutch issue or a transmission issue, or I don't know, just any help would be appreciated. Thank you.